DJ Sharp. It's Christmas time, and we're filling the air with a holiday spirit. The sounds of the season, all season long.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all was well. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
In my mind, I want you to be free. For all of our friends, would you listen to me? Now hear what I say. life. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. And we mean it. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas from the Temptations.
So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, a weekend for strong, the rich and the poor ones. The war is so long, and so happy Christmas for black and for white, for yellow and red ones. Let's stop all the fight. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, and what have we done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so happy Christmas. We hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young. The very Merry Christmas. It's a good one without anything. And so this is Christmas, and what have we done? Another year over, a new one just begun.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. So I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe helps to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way, and he's got lots of toys and many goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if the reindeer really knows how to fly. Yes, oh, I'm offering this simple phrase. Kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you.
the shepherd boy. Do you hear what I hear? What I hear? Riding through the night, shepherd boy. Do you hear what I hear? What I hear? A song high above the tree, with a voice as big as the sea. With a voice as big as the sea. Now said the shepherd boy to the mighty king, do you know what I know? In your palace, warm mighty king, do you know what I know? Oh, a child shivers in the cold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Oh yeah. Said the king to the people everywhere. Yeah, listen to what I say. Pray for peace and people everywhere. Oh yeah, listen to what I say. Oh, child, for the child sleeping in the night, he will bring us goodness and light. Yes, he will bring us goodness and light. Yes, he will. I know he will. Oh, yes, he will. Do you hear? Do you hear what I do? You hear? Do you know what I Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appears and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder brings a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night. The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine.
DJ Sharp.
I need.
Drop in your hits 24/7. DJ Sharp. It's Christmas time. We're filling the air with a holiday spirit. The sounds of the season, all season long.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine. I was just a little girl. Every Christmas morning I would pray. When I opened my eyes, he'd be standing there, but he never came. Still I know he cares. I never seen his face. Life is so unfair. For every daughter and son, for every heart, for everyone, Christmas is one time of year. I wish my father was here.
Christmas Day is so empty in my life. I have no one. I ran away from a soon expecting wife, and I'm sorry now. Once upon a time, had a family, had a little girl. Someone told me looks like me. For every daughter and son, for every heart, for everyone, Christmas is one time of year. I wish my daughter, I wish my baby, I wish my family was here.
At Christmas it seems you can have all your dreams
And wishes come true for you. We're every father and son. Christmas is one day a year.
I wish my family was here for every daughter and son.
Christmas is one time a year.
I wish my family was here.
For every heart and every Christmas is one time a year.
I wish my daddy was here.
I wanna see my baby. I wanna hold her and tell her how much I love her and I miss her. Ooh, I was so wrong to leave you all alone and never come back no more. I love you, baby. Oh.
Tis the season to be jolly, but how can I be when I have nobody? The Yuletide carol doesn't make it better, knowing that we won't be together. A silent night, I know it's gonna be joy to the world, but it's gonna be sad for me. What do the lonely do at Christmas? Oh, what do the lonely do at Christmas time? The children can new toys while their little hearts burst open with joy, and lovers can kiss beneath the mistletoe. Choirs can sing those glorious songs of old. But what is there for me to do now that it's Christmas and I don't have you? What do the lonely do at Christmas? Oh, what do the lonely do at Christmas time? What do the lonely do at Christmas? What do the lonely do at Christmas? What do they do? What do they do at Christmas? What do they do? What do they do at Christmas?
Hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together this Christmas. The fire sign is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheers and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes outshine the town. Yes, they do. This Christmas, the fire sign is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Merry Christmas. Oh, the fire sign is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Shake a hand, shake a hand.
the season of good cheer. H is for happiness, to last you through the years. R is for respect, that each and all should show in this holy season, wherever you may go. I is for indulgence, to know how far to go. S is for Santa Claus, the children all do know. T is for toys, for little girls and boys. Around the world, where'er they be, he'll find them joyfully.
This is Caribbean Vibes.
Is for manger, the place where he was born. A is for angels, who watched from dusk till dawn. S is for star, that led 3 men from afar. And remembering these, we hope you'll see a very Merry Christmas, wherever you may be.
Alright, yeah. Talking about Christmas time, baby. Well, yeah. Let 'em ring, let 'em ring, let them ring. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, needy smile after smile. And on every street corner you'll hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Whoa.
To each and every one.
My name is Aaron, and I would like to say, have a Merry Christmas and God bless you.
My name is Tony, and I would like to say, let's all spread a little love, peace, And I'm Demel. Season's greetings from a few good men. And to all, a good night.
Silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. In the city, baby. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear them ring, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. And I'll sing the long sing. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. A merry, 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 merry Christmas. A silver bells, ooh, oh, 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 yes. A merry, 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 merry Christmas. A merry, 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 merry Christmas. A soon it's gonna be Christmas Day, yeah, yeah, yeah. Why don't you tell about it, Tony? Yeah, yeah. It's Christmas time in the city. Hear them ring, oh yeah. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yes, Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, bells are ringing. Oh yeah.
DJ Sharp. It's Christmas time, and we're filling the air with a holiday spirit. The sounds of the season, all season long.
Once again, it's come that time of year. 'Tis the season to bring joy. Every child is waiting anxiously to see if Santa's gonna bring them a new toy. Once again, I think of you and me, walking in that winter snow, baby. Conquer the winds and decorate a tree. Oh, tell me why, oh why did you have to go? Still, I wish you a Merry Christmas, my dear. But most of all, I wish you were here, baby. I hope that all of your presents are filled with so much cheer. I wish you a Merry Christmas, my dear. Jingle bells are ringing in my heart. Santa's surely on his way, yeah. Oh baby, who'd have thought that we would be apart, especially never ever night on Christmas Day. Might as well take down the mistletoe. Take it down, baby, and turn down the Christmas lights. I don't wanna be lonely
Day 1. Dear Nuala, thank you very much for your lovely present of a partridge in a pear tree. We're getting the hang of feeding the partridge now, although it was difficult at first to win its confidence. It bit the mother rather badly in the hand, but they're good friends now, and we're keeping the pear tree indoors in a bucket. Thank you again. Yours affectionately, Govnet O'Lunacy. Day 2. Dear Nuala, I cannot tell you how surprised we were to hear from you so soon again, and to receive your lovely present of 2 turtle doves. You really are too kind. At first, the partridge was very jealous and suspicious of the doves, and they had a terrible row on the night the doves arrived. We had to send for the vet. But the birds are okay again, and the stitches is due to come out in a week or 2. The vet's bill was £8, but the mother is over her annoyance now, and the doves and the partridge are watching the telly from the pear tree as I write. Yours ever, Govnet. Day 3. Dear Nuala, we must be foremost in your thoughts. I had only posted my letter when the 3 French hens arrived. There was another sort out between the hens and the doves, who sided with the partridge, and the vet had to be sent for again. The mother was raging because the bill was £16 this time, but she has almost cooled down. However, the fact that the bird's droppings keep falling down on her hair while she's watching the telly doesn't help matters. Thanking you for your kindness, I remain your Govnet. Day 4. Dear Nuala, you mustn't have received my last letter when you were sending us the 4 calling birds. There was pandemonium in the pear tree again last night, and the vet's bill was £32. The mother is on sedation as I write. I know you meant no harm, and remain your close friend, Govnet. Day 5. Nuala, your generosity knows no bounds. 5 gold rings. When the parcel arrived, I was scared stiff that it might be more birds, because the smell in the living room is atrocious. However, I don't want to seem ungrateful for the beautiful rings. Your affectionate friend, Govnet. Day 6. Nuala, what are you trying to do to us? It isn't that we don't appreciate your generosity, but the 6 geese have not alone nearly murdered the calling birds, but they laid their eggs on top of the vet's head from the pear tree, and his bill was £68 in cash. My mother is munching 60 grains of Valium a day and talking to herself in a most alarming way. You must keep your feelings for me in check, Govnet. Day 7. Nuala, we are not amused by your little joke. 7 swans a-swimming is a most romantic idea, but not in the bath of a private house. We cannot use the bathroom now because they have gone completely savage and rush the door every time we try to enter. If things go on this way, the mother and I will smell as bad as the living room carpet. Please lay off. It is not fair, Govnet. Day 8. Nuala, who the hell do you think gave you the right to send 8 hefty maids a milking here to eat us out of house and home? Their cattle is all over the front lawn and has trampled the hell out of the mother's rose beds. The swans invaded the living room in a sneak attack, and the ensuing battle between them and the calling birds, turtle doves, French hens and partridge made the Battle of the Somme seem like Wanderley Wagon. The mother is on a bottle of whiskey a day as well as the 60 grains of Valium. I'm very annoyed with you, Govnet. Day 9. Listen, you louser. There's enough pandemonium in this place night and day without 9 drummers drumming, while the 8 flaming maids a milking is beating me poor old alcoholic mother out of her own kitchen and gobbling everything in sight. I'm warning you, you're making an enemy of me, Govnet. Day 10. Listen, manure face. I hope you will be haunted by the strains of the 10 pipers piping which has sent to torment us last night. They were aided in their evil work by those maniac drummers, and it wasn't a pleasant sight to look out the window and see 8 hefty maids a milking, pogoing round with the ensuing punk rock uproar. My mother has just finished her 3rd bottle of whiskey on top of 124 grains of Valium. You'll get yours, Govnet O'Lunacy. Day 11. You have scandalised my mother, you dirty Jezebel. It was bad enough to have 8 maids of milk and dancing to punk music on the front lawn, but they've now been joined by your friends, the 11 lords a leaping, and the antics of the whole lot of them would leave the most decadent days of the Roman Empire looking like Outlook. I'll get you yet, you owl bag. Day 12. Listen, slurry head, you have ruined our lives. The 12 maidens dancing turned up last night and beat the living daylights out of the 8 maids a milking, because they found them carrying on with the 11 lords a leaping. Meanwhile, the swans got out of the living room where they'd been hiding since the big battle and savaged hell out of the lords and all the maids. There were 8 ambulances here last night, and the local civil defence as well. The mother is in a home for the bewildered, and I'm sitting here up to me neck in birds' droppings, empty whiskey and Valium bottles, birds' blood and feathers, while the flaming cows eats the leaves off the pear tree. I'm a broken man.
那是我老了谁
They told me our newborn king to see our finest gifts we bring to lay before the king. So to honor him, when we come, baby Jesus, I am a poor boy too. I have no gift to bring. That's it to give our king. Shall I play for you on my drum? Weary nodded the ox and lamb kept time. I played my drum for him. I played my best for